Do you want to have a look at this?
Not that one.
Oh!
No, it's something else special. We've
What?
got plenty of special things.
What do you want to look at?
Choo-choo.
Doing the choo-choo?
It's choo-choo.
All right. Stopping all stations to Funville.
That's it.
Welcome on, Oscar.
Oscar's on.
How are you, Oscar?
Oh, look.
What's going on, buddy?
Got some new train stuff in.
New train stuff.
Got some train stuff. Got some restocks.
Oh, nice stuff.
Some Woodland Scenics.
Yes.
Woodland Scenics.
And some Peco. Long-awaited Peco.
Actually, these we haven't had in a little while, have we?
Not an N-scale.
Long time for the N-scale.
Yeah.
It's N-scale stuff, isn't it?
We got narrow gauge double O as well.
Yep.
009 stuff. A 009 set.
starter set.
Yeah.
Oh,
so we got
stop
the
it.
exact same starter sets in 009 and HO00.
Oh,
So all the starter sets are back in stock for all you people who want to get in the
I
trains.
feel a winter adventure coming on train-wise.
That could be.
And this is the best thing, aren't they? Because if you want to choose your own trains, you pick
They
that
are the best.
and a controller, and that's it.
You can
Ready
get
to
a
roll.
controller. You can go straight to DCC.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
You know,
Everything's
but you've got
compatible.
all the fundamentals, haven't you?
Yeah, indeed.
Fun to what?
Fundamentals.
Oh, thank you.
But no, it's
Thunder
definitely
Turbine will back me up on that.
That's right. All right, so there's a bit of Peco.
There's a bit of
That's
Pico.
awesome. Pico, as we all know, is very high quality. And
Would
what do you got
say-
here?
Would you say it's the highest quality?
I reckon
I
everyone
think
uses it,
so.
don't they?
It is.
It's
It
a
is
standard,
top.
yeah?
It
If
is
you've
the
got
industry standard.
any train show, Peco's the way to go.
Nickel silver. What's this thing?
This is a Woodland Scenics learning kit,
Learning kit.
and it includes a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything.
So I've sort of aimed today towards the beginner model railway
yeah.
enthusiast. Got
Yeah.
your starter sets, and you got your starter scenery kits. So
Oh, because normally when you buy the stuff, you have to buy the individual things
individuals, and they're huge bags.
Right.
But if you want to have a little crack at everything
and learn.
and learn, you've got a little bit of everything.
There's a bush.
Bush,
There is a bush.
bit of medium green, dark green, their scenic glue, sand, and somewhere in here there's even some trees.
Yeah, the trees are here.
Oh, they have logs,
Oh, logs. Loggy trees.
dead trees, so you can
Make your
restore
own.
everything.
So that's why all the loose stuff. So you got
get-
this stuff here, which is already pre-formed to let you have an idea of how to form something.
Yeah,
That's like something I find sometimes in the bath after I finish.
What? Add to your belly button?
Yeah.
It's the wrong colour.
It's usually blue, isn't it? Belly button. Have you ever noticed belly button fluff is always blue?
I have never really looked at
Yeah,
that
gotta look
often,
at it.
and I don't
It's
fish
always-
for it that often.
Well, have a look at the lint in the dryer.
Should I try it tonight?
Just make sure it's your belly button or you've got consent.
That's always good. It's very
That's a big
important.
thing, isn't it?
Consent.
Very, very.
That's
very
right. All right. All
important.
right. I'll make sure. I'll write that down in my notes. So you got some trees that are pre-formed,
Pre-formed trees.
and you can
Add.
customize that.
You can
You
trim
can,
them back,
you can trim. to
Yeah, that's
whatever
right.
you want.
make them shorter.
And you can
Yes.
add to them too, with their glue. Little
Right.
one. So yeah, no, it's just a little kit.
Foliage.
So it's
That's
an
the word.
educational set. You can use it straight away like this, and
Yep.
then you can customize and learn.
And I think you just got a bit of everything.
Yeah, that's
And there's
good.
different sets aimed towards different areas. So I'm pretty sure there's a snow learning set,
Right.
like more of a desert-based one where you get more sandy materials.
Right.
But yeah, there's coming lots of different varieties. The static grass set.
That's more than one shower, isn't it?
That depends.
If it's green,
All right,
it's
enough of
certainly-
that. All right.
It's certainly
All right.
been there. For
I
a
don't know
while.
where to
It's
take
fine
that one
green.
now. Don't know where to take it. But yeah, there's a little sample pot of glue. So that's their special scenic glue, right?
Yeah, that's their special stuff, which is
It's a bit tackier, isn't it?
it's a bit tackier and it's a bit runnier.
Right.
So it'll sort of flow into your scenery a bit more.
Yep.
And not just sort of sit there as a blob. It'll run a bit.
Okay, so there's a bit of flow to that.
Yeah.
And you got some
Flow,
grass
yeah.
as well.
Yeah, grass that you can cut down and put out, or even just longer bits. Just it's all customizable.
Have
Yeah.
you got little water crane diorama? Looks like the very sort of similar stuff that was used in that.
That's right.
Yeah, that's what will be on the top layer of that. You can
There's a
cut
little
that up.
sample of the. You see that little thing there? Just bring the whole block over.
What's that?
So I've actually got a foliage tutorial that's getting edited at the moment to show you how to do that. So the same sort of thing.
Yeah.
You know, same. Did you like that? It's had its hair set.
Has it?
Yeah. I'll put some hairspray on it.
Is that what you do?
Not really hairspray though. It's a special spray. No. Wait for the tutorial. It'll teach you a lot. But it's the same.
Might be able to use it in my moustache.
You could. You get a really pointy.
Yeah,
I'm
so
gonna put
pretty
that
much-
on the end of it.
Yeah, so if you want to get in stuff like that, this is the kit.
Yeah.
It's got everything you need, and it's Very
and
affordable.
and it actually looks like very Australian, doesn't it? Like the colours look very Australian.
Yeah, they're very correct colors, and that's one of the things that puts a lot of people off too is the size of it. You got all these bags and they're big, bulky bags, and you go, "Oh, I'm never going to get through all of it." Something like this for especially a little N scale layout, that'll do your whole layout.
Yes.
Buy a bit of static grass.
Yes.
Done.
Off you go.
Layout.
Because these are the bits that just add a little bit of interest here and there, right?
Yeah.
Because our landscapes are pretty sparse anyway.
Yes, you don't need a whole lot, and this is like a lot of people will over scenery their layouts.
Yes.
But a lot of places are pretty barren. You don't really get a whole lot of forests and stuff around.
No, that's right. It's not super lush, is it?
So something like this, some ballast, static grass, baseboard, trains and
Not
track.
much to see when I go home on the train.
Sorry?
Not much to see when I go home on the train.
Isn't it?
No.
No, metro
Pretty
lines.
bare, is it?
Not very exciting, the metro lines.
Bit of concrete, a few bricks. Yeah, really good. All these tufty bits are good because they've already got some texture in it.
Yeah, so those all stick together and you can pull them off and create little bushes.
Yes.
And that's where the scenic glue is good. So you just dab a little bit on, stick it down.
Because you can use just a tiny little bit and make a little bush.
Yeah.
Or use a whole lot and make a tree.
Make a big
Anything you
bush.
want.
Anything in between.
That's right.
The whole lot.
I'm excited.
Aren't you? Yeah, this is a really good
But
set.
that's good.
And it's
I'm
good to have these back.
I'm looking forward to your tutorial on it.
There you go. What do you call it? Scenery Details Learning Kit. And there's quite a few different learning kits.
There are quite a few. There's a say grass one. There's a ballasting one.
Is there a water one as well?
There's a water one.
Yeah.
And there's, I believe, a rock making learning kit too with your rock lines and your plaster.
Yes.
So
There
if
you
you want to
go.
learn,
Very
Woodland
handy.
Scenics will teach you.
There you go.
model
Training stuff.
trains, more than just train stuff.
We've got a restock of Aussian as well.
Precision.
Yep.
Yeah. The moustache trains back.
Is it?
Just like, looks like you, except
Is
that's
it-
like black.
Is that the BR class?
No. What class is that? NNR.
NR.
Yeah.
NR.
class.
You're close.
Close. Had an R in it.
That's right. You're halfway there. All right.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
Well, that
Excellent,
was
Oscar.
awesome. Thank you very much,
problem at all.
Oscar, for bringing that in.
No problem.
You
at
have a
all.
lovely day.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks,
Thanks, mate.
Oscar.
Bye-bye.